The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
If you're serious about saving, JMMB is where you need to put your money.
So what about my bank?
When you invest with JMMB, you earn higher rates, pay a lot less fees, and your money grows faster.
3 times faster.
And we'll work out the best plan for you, and we'll help you to stick to it. For the last 19 years, we have had many people make good money and achieve their goals by investing their savings with us. It's what we do. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. The government has promised to stay the economic course, which not only includes adherence to living within its means, but also tangible growth initiatives, including the Development Bank of Jamaica playing a major role. Dr. Peter Phillips, the finance minister, described the DBJ as an engine of growth and outlined several growth initiatives, including a lending target of $9 billion, up $1 billion on last year's, with more loans for the micro business sector.
In support of the growth agenda, Mr. Speaker, for the fiscal year 2014-2015, the DBJ, the Development Bank of Jamaica, has set a lending target of $9 billion, with some $3 billion specifically set for the MSME sector.
The DBJ is also expected to play a role in building capacity for small businesses, enabling them to better access credit and develop technical skills via an electronic voucher system.
Starting next month, the Development Bank of Jamaica will be providing a voucher for technical assistance to those small and medium enterprises which qualify. Starting next month. What is it? What is it? This is an electronic voucher issued by the financial institutions and redeemed by the enterprise, the small or medium-sized enterprise, at a business development organization for receiving capacity development. So you will get a voucher and you go to an approved organization like JBDC or some other approved organization which will be selected. You can get training, you'll be able to get help in developing your business plan, and you will be able to get mentoring if you need it.
Access Financial Services CEO Marcus James may be mired in a dispute with his board. However, financially, the company got off to a good start in 2014, with total revenue surging by 47% to $81 million to close the first quarter at $254 million. Interest income from loans increased by 44%, providing the impetus for strong revenue growth. Other operating income rose by 124% to $9 million due to improved recovery of loans previously written off. During the period, profit grew by 30% to $80 million. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, imagine after the hurt suffered by so many within the period 2007 to 2010, Ponzi schemes are again rearing their heads. Of course, there's a direct relationship between gullibility and the success of such schemes. From our vantage point, we can only say to those tempted to join such schemes, beware of those schemes encouraging you to bring in 10 or more persons so that your investments may grow exponentially. Check with the FSC when you are in doubt. Now, FSC, that's a free advert, but it's for a worthy cause. Still in business intelligence, the issue of visa fraud is still a scourge in Jamaica, and one major embassy plans to tackle it not only via the traditional routes, but also via moral suasion. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.